Hi, Dr. Jeremy Heyman here, naturopathic doctor at Cornerstone Naturopathic, and today we're talking about juicing versus blending. What's better? Is it better to juice or to blend? I was reviewing a study yesterday, and it was posing that exact question. And the outcome of the study as to whether or not juicing or blending is better showed that juicing provides within this particular study a higher dose of ascorbic acid, otherwise known as vitamin C. However, the blending provided higher density or plethora or concentration of phytochemicals. And the phytochemicals actually are those exact constituents in fruits and vegetables that we're actually looking to gain in terms of being provided like an anti-cancer property or anti-cancer benefit. So the drawback to the study is that when they actually juiced the four fruits in this particular study, they removed the skins when they juiced them. However, when they blended them, they actually threw in the skins, the entire fruit, skins and all. So there's been some good evidence on the concentration of nutrition in the skins and peels of fruits and vegetables. And some of the evidence actually shows that there is 300 or more times the concentrated dose of nutrition in the skin or peels of a fruit or a vegetable versus the flesh or the pulp itself. So always remember, end of the day, moral of the story is eat your fruits, eat your vegetables. Make sure you try and avoid eliminating the skin or the peels. Try and eat everything whole as possible. And when we're blending, what you want to do is try and add in the whole fruit, peel, seeds and all, stems, leaves, and the vegetables as well. So add everything in there, and what you're going to do is you're actually going to get a greater density of the phytochemicals. You're also going to get the fibrous material, so all the fiber and the roughage, where when you're juicing, you're actually eliminating the fiber and the roughage, which isn't necessarily a negative thing, but combination of juicing and a blending would actually be a great thing. And phytochemically speaking, those are actually the constituents in plants in the plant world that out in nature, plants use as a defense mechanism to provide nutrition and support during environmentally stressful situations. So a situation where there's a drought, for example, plants are able to sort of continue on in a healthful manner. Once that drought is over, they can continue to thrive and grow. So when we actually consume these phytochemicals, that's what we're taking advantage of. We're taking advantage of the defensive mechanisms and the ways that these phytochemicals like flavonoids and polyphenols and such can actually benefit our cellular biology. And when it comes to cancer, we've identified, or there's been numerous studies that have identified how these specific constituents and specific chemicals actually block, enhance, or slow down specific pathways that are related to cancer. So juicing versus blending, again, like I said, either or is fantastic. And what you want to do is you want to get that in at least once a day if that's possible. I don't care whether it's in the morning, evening, or night. And there's definitely a variety of different approaches to blending and juicing. Just make sure that when you're doing either or, you're actually adding a good concentrated dose of vegetables. So whether it's leafy vegetables when you're blending or juicing, like kale, collards, spinach, and then you're also adding fruit, but you can add, the minority is going to be fruit, but make sure that you're using the skin, you're using the peel, and you're taking advantage of everything that nature or Mother Nature has to offer in terms of health promotion and health prevention.